Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do organization, cleaning, and healthy lifestyle videos. So if you are into those topics, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And for today, we are tackling pantry organization on a budget. And the reason I wanted to do this is because about 2 years ago, I did a pantry organization video. I loved how it turned out. However, it was a little pricey. I needed to buy a lot of different containers and I got mostly everything from Target, and very quickly everything added up. For example, these bulk item containers alone, the set of 8 was around $80, and that's just for one element. So it definitely got expensive, and my challenge today is to redo my entire pantry using items only found at the dollar store. So I went to the Dollar Tree and 99 cents only for all of these items. With our pantry organization project, the first step is to clear out everything from your pantry. For all of the items that I'm going to keep, I group them together by item type. Now, since everything is cleared out of your pantry, this is a good time to give it a quick clean out and wipe down. What I do here is I take a rag and I brush out any of the crumbs, and then I will vacuum them up. Then I will take my DIY all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth and just wipe down the interior of the pantry shelves. I showed the recipe for this recently in my deep cleaning kitchen video, so I will leave that link down below. All right, so now getting into the organization, we're gonna start from the top and move our way down. So the containers I found and decided to use for the top shelf are these bins that I found at 99 cents only. They were $1.99 each. They're extremely sturdy, well made. I also like the color of these. Bins on the top shelf is where I decided to put extra bulk items and lesser used items, because for me, this is not as accessible. So in one of the bins, I put my baking supplies. Another bin, I have extra rice and oatmeal. And then another bin, we have crackers, chips, and extra popcorn. So that is everything put together on the top shelf. Now moving on to the second shelf. These containers are probably my best find of the entire trip. They are $1.99 from 99 cents only, and they sell very similar style bins to this at Target, and they are $4.99. So in my pantry organization strategy, the two middle shelves are going to be the most used items because that's right at eye level. So in our case, what we put in these, one of them has Ryan's popcorn collection. As you guys know, if you watch my channel, my husband Ryan has a serious popcorn addiction. The next bin has all of our pasta supplies, so different types of pasta and pasta sauces. And the third bin has all of our oatmeal. Ryan eats oatmeal every morning. Carter has oatmeal, I have oatmeal, so we have a lot of different types of oatmeal. Okay, now moving on to the third shelf, which I call the fun shelf. This is where we keep a lot of our bulk items. Before, everything on this shelf were in these expensive containers from Target. Now we are switching things up and we are using mason jars found at the Dollar Tree. And then at 99 cents only, I found these blue mason jars, which I thought were really pretty, and they went with our color scheme. I think it's a good practice to store your bulk food items in glass containers if you can. It's just better for you. You don't have to worry about plastic and chemicals leaching into your food. So this is a good place you could put beans, rice, flax seeds, chia seeds, nuts, any type of loose bulk item. One thing you could do if you do have items that have special cooking instructions, you can cut out the panel on the box or the bag and put it in with the container. Now these glass milk jugs I found at the Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be good to put rice in so you could pour it into your measuring cup. Then we have these plastic fish tanks that I thought would be a good place to store snack items that are already wrapped. So protein bars, granola bars, trail mix, snack packs, and a little other bonus tip. A lot of these containers have the labels stuck on here. They're very hard to get off. So a little trick for this is to use orange essential oil. It is one of the best ways to get sticky label residue off of your containers. All you have to do is just put a couple drops of essential oil on the sticky part, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you could just gently rub it off. It will come right off, remove all of the residue. I also found these smaller plastic containers, and I thought these would be a good place to put other pantry accessories, so bag clips. And then another container, I put a measuring cup and measuring spoons, so when you are getting your bulk items out, you have these handy, you can pour them right into the cup. Now moving on to the bottom shelf, a big category of items that I needed to organize were my cans. And this is where I was having a little bit of trouble because if they're just all stacked on one level, it's hard to see what you have. So in my previous pantry organization video, I found this can organizer that I absolutely love, but because I am sticking to the dollar store theme, what I decided to do is to take one of these bins, flip it upside down and use it as a shelf. So I could stack my cans on 2 tiers so I could get a better visual of all of the canned goods that I have. So that's what I came up with. If you guys have any ideas of something else I could use from the dollar store to organize my cans, let me know in the comments. So moving right along, by using these smaller containers I found at the Dollar Tree. Very impressed by the quality of these. So one of these I'm putting our nut butters in, so our almond butter, hazelnut butter, peanut butter. Another container I have some nuts and seeds. And then the last 2 containers I have all of my supplements. So the lesser used supplements I put in the back. And then in the front container, these are my daily supplements. If you guys do want me to share what supplements I take every day, let me know in the comments or by giving this a thumbs up. So now that we have everything set up in our pantry, another step that I like to do is label everything. I found these chalkboard wall labels at the Dollar Tree. It even comes with the chalk. And this is important if you have other people you live with that you want to follow your system.
Babe, where does the popcorn go?
You see that shelf right there? It says popcorn?
What, this one?
Yeah, the one that says popcorn.
Oh, I guess that makes sense.
Now this is what my pantry looks like, all reorganized using only items found at the dollar store. It is very much possible to organize on a budget and not have to compromise functionality. All right, so that is my dollar store pantry makeover. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you got some ideas from it, then please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see me make more of these on my channel, then let me know. And with all of that said, thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.